When I first used Prefect, I thought things were as they should be. I had occasion to compare it to a competing product. The difference was just night and day. It was a lot simpler, easier, and a lot more intuitive. I really liked it immediately. I'm Jeff Charbonneau, and I'm an engineering manager at Relativity. Relativity is a software as a service company that helps users organize data and discover the truth and act on it. We've got about 300,000 users and mostly work with organizations in the legal, financial services, and government sectors.
With Prefect, we built a platform for GenAI where we can orchestrate GenAI workloads across millions of documents. We need a way to orchestrate that workflow efficiently and resilient to any kind of errors. We're running over 300,000 documents a day through our system, and so far we've seen over a 99.9% success rate. We've run over 100 customers, thousands of legal matters, all successfully with Prefect.
So we've been using Prefect at Relativity since Prefect version 1, going on about 4 years now. We were looking for a industry standard workflow tool. Stuff we kind of previously had at the company was bespoke custom code that each team managed independently, and we didn't really have a clear solution for how we wanted to work. One thing that we really liked was you were just writing Python code. It made authoring flows and tasks really easy. Prefect just made the experience of writing the workflow and doing the orchestration and testing it way easier. And the slick UI just really helped visualize the progress and state of the workflow way better than the tools we used before.
Not too terribly long ago, we only had 30 cloud seats available at Prefect. And we made it known to the higher-ups that we really needed more because we were continually getting more and more requests for access to Prefect Cloud. We had to turn people away. Over the past couple of months, we've also seen strong growth in the number of flows run. To date this year, we've had just over 40,000 flows run in prod. Growth is kind of hockey sticks over the past couple of months.
There's a big future at Relativity with Prefect, helping us accelerate development and write really resilient and robust workflows.
Prefect is core to Relativity Air for Review, and it will be core for future Air products that Relativity is building. We were able to get up and running very easily. We were able to focus on what drives business value for us and our customers without worrying about the workflow engine. Prefect's been great for us.